Hey. Lassie.
Hello everybody. Hi. Hi. I'm Megan. Nice to meet you.
I believe hello is in order.
Hello. So the other group are actually just listening to a friend of ours, Julia from Gecko Press, talking about how books are made. So she's just talking to them at the moment, and they're just about to get up in a few moments, and maybe you guys would like to head towards that top corner. But first of all, hello. Nice to meet you all. Welcome to
Sounds
Unity
good. Thank you very much.
You all brought, what's this?
A plush.
Just a couple of winnings.
Yeah, I cut the line in time zone. If you cut it, you can choose to get everything or not.
Oh, where did you guys come from?
I came from Pride Lands.
Oh, you came straight from there, did you? Right. Goodness. Okay, we might give them a couple more seconds. So you got some big questions for us today?
Yeah,
Really biting.
I gave them one.
Nope. Yeah?
And
No questions?
And Denim. And Joe, my cousin.
And
not me.
who loves books already? Who's a big
don't
book
know.
reader and lover?
I
You came to the right place.
read chapter books.
Yeah?
I read comics.
Oh, excellent.
you have
Now, just one moment and let me just check my background.
Wait here.
Did we come here last year?
Or they're just putting their pens away.
Yeah, we came here last year.
We have to knock knock. See who's there.
Oh, please carry on. Sorry.
No, we're going to wait and do it.
Oh, okay.
Round two.
These are our backroom elves.
We're having a wolf thing today.
Oh, you can come around.
See, this is for smaller children, can't you? Yeah. I am putting on my outfits. I am putting on my t-shirt. I am putting on my socks. These are my trousers.
Follow the crowd.
I'm putting on my top.
Now take a seat. Take a seat around here. There you go.
I am putting on my... I am putting on my great big coat. And I'm coming to get you. And then it says on the back, it says yum yum. Snap the book shut to keep the wolf inside. I'm just going to, I won't start the whole again, but I'm Julia. I'm from Gecko Press, which has this little lizard. So if you look at some of your books, you've got your Sylvia tool. When you're reading some of your books, you can sometimes look for the little lizard, and that means that it comes from a publishing company called Gecko Press, and that publishing company is based in Wellington. We almost live in Mount Cook, same as you do. In fact, we're in just down the road. And so I was just. I think anyone can read those types of books. We started before you came. We read Pooh. They can. Sorry. After this, maybe. Yeah, you can read Pooh.
That's the thing about books, they're the most democratic thing in the world. Anybody, when you can learn to read, then you can read books
That's right.
and access ideas.
So before you came, we just talked about how this book started out in French.
I really wanted to.
Cacaboodle. You will have to. And then we translated it into English, and we called it Pooh, which was shocking at the time. And then because it was one of our really best books, we translated it again, or Kelly and the Kelly translated it into Real. So now we've got three, and just about every country has this book.
And did you publish that out of New Zealand? So here, you bought the book here, and it was published here, and it was your idea here in our small little country to go out to the rest of the world?
Well, it started in France, and then everybody buys their own. It goes into every individual country. But yes, we started the English version of it, and the Te Reo Māori version of it comes from Wellington.
Wow.
And so I was just gonna, I think just, I don't know what you know about books, but I was just gonna talk a little bit about the bits that you can look for when you look at them to see what it teaches you. So here you've got an author on the cover. Yep, you can see, that's Kuban up there when he was smaller. His real name is Simon, of course. And then you've got the title here, don't you? But in this case it's been made to look like it's in a speech bubble. And you've got the name of the publisher up there. And then you've got it again on the back with the little lizard. And that means that's, like I say, that any time you see a book, then one of our books, you should see the little lizard.
Okay.
So we're just going to go on and say what else you have on the book. You have this bit. Does anyone know what that's called? The spine. And so on the spine, which is often all that you see, isn't it? This whole stack of them. So that's quite hard for publishers because not much. You can see that we have to be really clever to try and make it stand out on the shelf if all anyone's going to see. So they stand out to me. I can see that's ours there. I can see the gecko press on it. That one. Right. That one, the orange spine. Left. That one. Yeah. Yep, so that's another gecko press.
There you go.
So lots of spines all around you, and you've all got your own spines, and that's why it's because it's the thing that holds us together a little bit, isn't it? And then you have another page that does all that again. And ideally on that page you'd find the name of the translator as well, but it's been some time since we printed this. The name's here. So this page of the book always looks a bit dull, doesn't it?
I see the gecko.
You see the gecko, good on you. You'll see those geckos now wherever you go. So this is called, does anyone know what this page is called? Quite a bit, it's called, yeah, it's sort of like an index, it's called, it begins with I. It's called the
Appendix.
It does come at the back. Usually it comes at the front. Appendix means like a sort of an add-on, doesn't it? But I wouldn't expect anyone to know this word. It's a technical word. It's called the imprint page. But the most important thing on this page, and you'll see it when you look at your own books, is that little C in a circle. The little C in a circle. It's so tiny and it's so